Hello and welcome to Podium Support Top Tips. I'm Aphrodite and today I'm going to show you how to find and use the quick loan calculator in the Podium home screen. I will now go to a live demonstration. In the Podium home screen, if you go down to the More tab, under Broker Tools, you'll find the quick loan calculator. Click on that. At the top of the screen, you will see three different options. You've got a repayment option, a loan amount option, and a loan term option. For repayment, enter an amount into the field. A loan term and an interest rate. Click on Calculate and the different loan repayments will appear. Follow the same steps for loan amount by entering into the fields, the required fields, and same steps for loan term. Enter an amount into the fields, the loan amount, the interest rate, and the monthly repayment. Click Calculate. At the top right corner, you'll see a print icon. That gives you two options. The PDF option also will give you a date stamped copy. Always remember to go to the Knowledge Hub for more information or contact Podium Support by email on podium.support@podium.net.au. Thank you for watching.